A Very Big Cupcake. Once upon a time, there lived a small bunny in the forest. She loved baking. Everything she made was delicious. One day she said, "I'm going to make the biggest cupcake ever." She mixed the batter and baked a chocolate cupcake. Then she put lots and lots of pink icing on top. She sprinkled colorful sprinkles on top. Now the biggest cupcake was ready. A fox said, "What a big cupcake!" A squirrel said, "What a huge cupcake!" A mouse said, "What a gigantic cupcake!" Suddenly, thump, 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 something very, very big was coming. A big elephant came over and smiled. "Oh, what a cute little cupcake!" Jump! She ate it in one big bite. Yummy! The end.